Hello again, minions. Here we go. We are on page 69. We did 68. Now we're doing 69. So let's go and get this all set up. I grabbed my ruler this time. And here we go. We're going to draw our line. I draw the line. Oh, that's a totally different one, isn't it? Because you're mine, I draw the line. Except that's not the word. So anyway, here we go. So at the top, we're going to write down multiply and divide fractions. Again, this is just a quick little doodly-doo because you already know how to multiply and divide fractions. You did it in 4th and 5th grade. You multiplied in 4th grade, and in 5th grade, you multiplied and divided. So here we go. And I'm going to use my colored pencils because then I have more color choices. That just means I need to not make a mistake. So here we go. First thing I want you to know is, here's our question. What does MMS stand for? I'm so glad you asked. That is a very, very good question. What does MMS stand for? Well, it is multiply the numerator. Multiply the numerators. Whoop. My picture's in the way. And then multiply the denominators. And then simplify if needed. Gee, do you think that's why we did simplify when we were doing GCF and LCM? Yeah, that's why. So, multiply, multiply, simplify. That's how we multiply fractions. Okay? Now, there's a different one when we're talking about division. Okay? For division, what does KIR stand for? I know. You guys are like, KIR? My teacher didn't teach me KIR. My teacher used like Kentucky Fried Chicken or something like that. Well, we're in middle school. And we're going to use the proper terminology. So, keep the first fraction. We keep it. Inverse operation. That just means if it says divide, do the opposite. I know, right? So inverse, I'm going to use a different color here. Inverse means opposite. Woo! A little bubble around there. That's kind of important, isn't it? Yeah. And of course you can't really see it because it's light blue because I'm a dork. So I'll try to go back and fix that. But keep the first fraction, inverse operation, and then R stands for reciprocal. 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 Boy, I can't spell. RECIPRO. Reciprocal. Reciprocal. That's what I'm trying to spell. Reciprocal. Reciprocal of second fraction. Okay, reciprocal means turn it upside down. Yes, turn it upside down. And I know, again, kind of hard to see. Ooh, what if I bring it closer? No, it just gets blurry then. All right, so that's a little better. So, anyway, I'm going to not make you sit through while I do that. All right, so now you should be able to see it a little better, and there's the bell. Classes are going to start, but I'm going to do this real quick. Yes, I am. Why? Because that's how I roll. All right, so let's look at this. We've got, for our examples, we've got 3/4, and that's divided by 1/2. We're going to KIR. Ready? K, keep, 3/4. I, that division becomes multiplication. And R, flip that upside down for the reciprocal, 2/1. Now all we do is what we did for multiply, MMS. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 1 is 4. Simplify. That becomes 1 and 1/2. Okay, so we just put our box around that, 1 and 1/2. We're good. Okay, one more example. Here we go. Let's try with another. We've got 3 and 2/3. I know you guys love mixed numbers, right? They're the best. 3 and 2/3 divided by 1/8. So we're going to keep that, well, actually, we can't keep it that way. We need to actually change this into 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So 11/3, that's the same thing. We just made it an improper fraction. We're going to I, which is multiply, and then we're going to R, which is flip it upside down, 8/1. Now we just MMS. 11 times 8 is 88. 3 times 1 is 3. And now we're going to simplify. Well, 3 goes into 88 29 times, and that leaves me 1 left over, so 29 1/3. Okay, that's it. It's just that easy. You can do this, minions. You can. So let's get busy. Get her done. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.